Hello guys, in this video we will see how to remove or delete user account from Windows 11 operating system. Then Windows run, then type net plwiz. See, I have these many accounts. Suppose if you want to remove this one, just the account username and click on this remove. It is asking confirmation, click on yes. See, that account has been gone. Click on OK. The second method is by using CMD. Open command prompt as administrator. Click on this run as administrator. Let's verify list of users by running the command net user. See, these are the list of the users are there in my Windows 11 operating system. Suppose again if you want to delete this David user, give net user, then username, then /delete. Hit enter. That account has been successfully deleted. Let's verify. Net user. See, that David user has been removed. The other method is open control panel. Click on user accounts. Again click on user accounts. Manage another account. Select the account. Then delete the account. Select delete files or keep files. So I want to remove permanently. So select delete files. Confirmation delete account. See, that account has been gone. Verify again. Net user. See, there is no user with James. You can also verify by running plwiz. That is wizard. See, there is no James account. Okay. So I have shown different ways to remove the usernames in Windows 11 operating system. For more Windows 11 videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.